Unraveling Internet Slang, the Many Faces of LMAO.
Hello and welcome. Today we are going to delve into the world of internet lingo. In particular, we'll explore the variations of one popular acronym, LMAO, which stands for Laughing My Ass Off. If you're a regular on social media, chat rooms, or any online communication platforms, you're likely to have come across it.
What does LMAO mean?
Let's start at the beginning. LMAO is a common abbreviation used in digital communication to indicate that something is hilarious. It's a stronger reaction than simply lol, laugh out loud, suggesting that the person found something exceptionally funny.
What are the variations of LMAO?
There are quite a few variations of LMAO that people use to express different levels of amusement. Here are some you should know. 1. LMFAO. This is an intensified version of LMAO, where the F stands for an expletive. It indicates that something is extremely funny. 2. ROFLMAO. Rolling on the floor laughing my ass off. This one is used when something is so funny that the person is metaphorically rolling on the floor laughing. 3. LMAOO or LMAO with more O's at the end. The more O's you add, the funnier you find something. There's no limit to the number of O's you can add, but remember, the more O's, the stronger the laughter implied. 4. LMBAO, a less common variant where the B stands for but. This is seen as a less vulgar option compared to LMAO.
When to use LMAO and its variations?
Now that we've looked at what LMAO means and its different versions, when should you use them? Well, they're most appropriate in casual digital conversations. This could be with friends, in chat rooms, or on social media platforms. They're generally not appropriate in formal settings or professional communication. That wraps up our exploration of the world of LMAO and its variants. Remember, the way we communicate online is always evolving, so staying up to date with these changes can be both fun and useful. Now that you're familiar with these acronyms, you're even better equipped to express laughter in the digital world. Keep laughing and keep communicating.